Hey everybody, time to review on the Matchbox ramp truck. This is the yellow version. It says HB on the sides. Always liked the ramp truck castings. They didn't make too many of them, but I've always liked them. They've always been really nice. And this slides out, but I'm not going to try to slide this. Actually, wait. Looks like it slides out like that, and it goes back in. So I was able to slide it out pretty easily without breaking. And this is a pretty cool casting. I'm not sure how rare it is. I don't think it's that rare. It has a siren on the top, and it says, if you look here, it says MB or HB something. It says HB something on it. It's a flatbed truck. Looks pretty cool. It's 1290 EA on the bottom. Looks nice. Has this like groove here, and the thing about this casting is cool, actually. I really like it. I wish that they make more of these types of cars. Matchbox doesn't do that anymore, and it's sad. Even though they did make the ramp truck in the late 2000s, so there is some hope for it to return to the main line. There is some hope for it to come back. I'm just not sure when it would be exactly. But that's going to be my review today on the ramp truck from Matchbox. Thank you.